friends, I'm Rati Devi Nagarajan, English professor of a prestigious institution in Chennai. My qualification is MA, B.Ed, MPhil, CICTT, Cambridge University. I have the teaching experience for about 25 years. I'm also the author of few motivational books for students and teachers community. Here I want to convey some unbelievable facts of few ancient temples in India. I think that there is no place in the world where I feel closer to the Lord than in one of his holy temple. Could you realize why am I saying this? Because going to temple is for the purification of the soul. I am a believer of all religion. I do not differentiate between religion because I believe that there is an ultimate universal power God in every religion. In India, there are lots and lots of ancient unique temples with full of mysteries, myths and miracles where both science and nature stands down. There are stories, legends, and myths associated with those temples. Shall we visit 5 major incredible facts of temples with our open eyes and mind? Our first admirable temple is Kedarnath Temple, which is located close to the Mandakini River in the town of Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. The Nandi statue and other idols in the temple were untouched even after the destructive flood in 2013. The pilgrims inside the temple were alone survived, unharmed. Is a great miracle, but there was a massive destruction all around. Thousands lost their lives due to the flood. Here, nature put the head down and science had no answer about this miracle. How is this possible? Our second incredible temple is Vedagirishwara Temple, which is located in Tirukazhakundram in Tamil Nadu, India. Is popularly known as Kazhagu Temple or a Eagle Temple. Do you know why do we call it as Eagle Temple? The major attraction of this temple is two sacred eagles appearing over the temple. The most surprising fact is that the eagles are vegetarian. They came down to the rock where sweet rice is offered as food by the priest every noon. After the darshan of Vedagirishwara, devotees eagerly await the arrival of the eagles in large numbers even now. Two eagles, after circling round the temple top, eat the balls of rice and clean their beaks in the water kept nearby and take off. Circle around the tower again and fly off. It is unbelievable that there are two eagles are two rishis, Pusha and Vidada, who were cursed by Lord Shiva to become eagles. They worship as eagle to obtain salvation from Lord Shiva. Our third marvelous temple is Gavi Gangadeshwara Temple. It is an ancient Hindu temple. It is an example of Indian rocket architecture which is located in Bengaluru in the state of Karnataka in India. The temple is famous for its mysterious stone disc and the exact planning of allowing the sun to shine on the shrine in certain times of the year. We all know that it is impossible to convert ghee into butter. But in this temple, it is possible. When the priest applies ghee offered by the devotees on the Shiva Linga, it automatically turns into butter. Science and technology has no clear answer about this action. The devotees carry ghee from their home and watch it turns into butter. It happens in front of one's eyes. Our fourth ancient temple is Oppaliyappan Temple, which is around 5 kilometers from Kumbakonam in Tamil Nadu, India. This temple is one of 108 Divya Desam temple of Vishnu. In this temple, salt is not allowed inside the temple and it is not used in any food preparation as the Lord had promised that he would take food without salt in this temple. But surprisingly, the temple prasadam like Puliyodarai, Pongal and curd rice etc. taste just as if salt were added to it. This temple, Perumal, is considered to be the elder brother of Tirupati Balaji. If you are unable to visit Tirupati, visiting this temple is an offering to the Hundi is considered to be the same as visiting Tirupati. Our fifth mystical temple is Ambikeshwar Mahadev Temple, which is situated in Amar Fort of Jaipur, which holds great religious importance. It is believed that the Shivalinga here is a natural one, which was found buried 22 feet under the earth. The king Kankil Dev had a cow that gave milk only at that specific place. The king was surprised and decided to get the place excavated. During the excavation, the Sivalinga was found, so the king constructed a temple at this place. During monsoon season, the Shivalinga submerges in 10 feet water, appears surprisingly in the temple. These are few marvelous and miraculous facts of Hindu temple in India. Do you like it? Then subscribe, like and comment. God bless you. See you again. Thank you.